and raise your right hand and repeat after me. On this occasion of our graduation, beloved alma mater, I, please say your name, do hereby pledge to hold in sacred trust the knowledge and Christian ideals which you have carefully and lovingly implanted and nurtured in us, and our noble traditions to be guided always by its holy principles and to respond wholeheartedly to every call of duty. We pledge to ourselves, always at the service of God, our country, and our school. We pledge to be ever true and grateful son and daughter of our Henry Guadalupe de Novaliches School. So please help me, God.